NEEWER 18-inch ring light review, professional lighting under review. Imagine being able to capture every detail of your art, every nuance of your creativity, with light that gently envelopes you, revealing the best in every shot. Today, I present to you the 18-inch NEEWER ring light, an essential tool for professionals and amateurs who seek perfection in every photograph or video. This equipment is not just a light, it is the promise of quality at a price that defies all expectations. With 55W and 5600K professional LED light, the NEEWER ring light offers impeccable lighting, comparable to equipment in a much higher price range. One of the great advantages of this ring light is its versatility. It comes equipped with a sturdy stand, a phone holder, a flexible tube and a carrying bag. This means you can create everything from stunning portraits to makeup tutorials or tattoo sessions with ease and comfort. The performance of the NEEWER ring light is another highlight. The color temperature remains constant, guaranteeing that the lighting in your projects is always natural and true to reality. This is crucial in professional jobs where color and detail matter. Plus, its user-friendly design makes adjusting lighting a quick and easy process. The adjustable stand and flexible tube allow you to direct light exactly where you need it, eliminating unwanted shadows and highlighting the best aspects of your subject. However, although the NEEWER ring light provides many advantages, it also has its limitations. Some users have noted that the stand could be stronger to ensure greater stability, especially in demanding working conditions. Another disadvantage mentioned is the weight. Although the carrying bag makes it easy to move, the entire set can be heavy for those who need to frequently move it from one place to another. But, despite these small drawbacks, the overall balance tips the balance in favor. The build quality, lighting effectiveness, and affordable price make this ring light an attractive option for many. Considering the current market, the NEEWER 18-inch ring light stands out by offering a professional solution at a cost that won't break the bank. For makeup artists, tattoo artists, barbers, and photographers, it represents a smart investment. The inclusion of accessories such as the phone holder and flexible tube add even more value to the package, allowing you to explore a wide range of creative possibilities without needing to purchase additional equipment. In conclusion, if you are looking to improve the lighting of your projects without spending a fortune, the NEEWER 18-inch ring light deserves your attention. Its performance, features, and price make it one of the best options on the market. Remember, in the world of visual creativity, lighting is everything. And with the NEEWER ring light, you have the perfect tool to take your creations to the next level. Don't let anything stop you, explore the possibilities this team has to offer.